Welcome to Code Station.
So welcome to a new video in our PHP series. From now onwards, we are going to start with database, working with database, integration with database, creating a database, creating tables, writing queries, retrieving data, all that stuff. So this video is all going to about introduction to databases. So what is a database, why it is used, why it is required, what is the importance, types of database, and what kind of database we are going to use. So let's begin. A database is an organized collection of data typically stored and accessed electronically from a computer system. Used in various applications ranging from simple data storage to complex business operations and data analysis. Databases are structured collections of data that are organized in a way that allows for efficient storage, retrieval, and manipulation of information. They are fundamental components of modern software application, including web applications. So, database basically is a structured way to store and manage data, enabling developers to create dynamic and interactive data-driven web application in which user can basically retrieve the data, store data. So, for example, when you create an account, the username and password is stored in a backend. So, backend basically is a database which stores the data and later on used for authentication. So in SQL is a programming language used by nearly all relational databases to query, manipulate, and define data, and to provide access control. So SQL stands for Structured Query Language, which was first developed at IBM in 1970 with Oracle as a major contributor. Later, extension to the companies such as IBM and Microsoft were added. So although SQL is still widely used today, new programming languages are beginning to appear. So importance of database. So why it is required. So first is data storage. Databases serve as a centralized repository for storing all types of data required by a web application, including user information, product details, transaction records, and much more. These centralized storage ensures data consistency and integrity across the application. So an entire app, when it is developed, it contains of majorly an admin side and a user side. So both of the data needs to be handled separately but at a same space to minimize the cost and keep it at a centralized location to easily access. So database does that job. Data retrieval. Database provides efficient mechanism for retrieving specific data based on various criteria using SQL, that is structured query language. Developers can write queries to fetch data from databases according to specific requirements. This capability enables web application to display dynamic content to users. So here dynamic content means specific content for specific users. So each users have different content according to their customization. For example, when suppose a person named John logins from his ID. So it will be shown welcome John. So this is the dynamic content which will be irrespective of the usage. Next is data manipulation. Database allows for the manipulation of data through various operations such as insertion, updating, and deletion. These operations are essential for maintaining and updating the application's data in response to user actions or system events. Then we have this data integrity. Database enforces data integrity rules to maintain the accuracy, consistency, and reliability of the data. This includes using constraints such as primary keys, foreign keys, unique constraints, and data validation rules. database requires a comprehensive database software program known as database management system, which handles everything like creating, managing, storing, access control, and providing the information or integrating it with a third party app, etc. So a DBMS serves as an interface between the database and its end users or programs, allowing users to retrieve, update, and manage how the information is organized and optimized. A DBMS also facilitates oversight and control of database, enabling a variety of administrative operations such as performance monitoring, turning, and tuning, and backup and recovery. So it basically is a software like system which handles everything regarding a database. And database is storing an information of a project or app. So some examples of popular database software are or DBMS include MySQL, which we are going to use with PHP, Microsoft Access, Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle database. So Oracle is a famous company known for database services. So we are going to use is MySQL using the XAMPP server, which has the PHP MyAdmin portal, which gives us access to create, manage, and store data. So here we are going to use MySQL and PHP in combination to access, create, and work with database along with our projects. So let's see what is that. So MySQL is an open source relational database management system based on SQL. It was designed and optimized for web applications and can run on any platform. As new and different requirements emerged with the internet, MySQL became the platform of choice for web developers and web-based applications because it is designed to process millions of queries and thousands of transactions. PHP is a widely used server-side scripting language designed for web development. When used together, PHP and MySQL form a powerful combination for building dynamic and scalable web applications. MySQL is the DBMS behind some of the top websites and web-based applications including Airbnb, Uber, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, even YouTube. To conclude, databases play a crucial role in development of web applications by providing a reliable and efficient means of storing data and performing actions like retrieving and manipulating data, using those to further analyze and perform data analysis on that. So PHP and MySQL together form a powerful technology stack for building dynamic and scalable web applications. As we have learned just now that various of applications like YouTube and Uber use this technology stack to store the data. So to meet the demands of modern users and businesses, understanding databases and how to work with them is essential for anyone, whether it be involved in software development, data analysis, or IT.